Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money at home by working remotely, how to earn money as a freelancer. In this video, I'm going to be talking about three freelancer websites where you can easily make money at home. First of all, who is a freelancer? Freelancer is a person who works remotely at home and make extra money remotely. There are two types freelancer, a part-time, full-time. You can work part-time or full-time. It is up to you. And firstly, I'm gonna explain Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancer marketplace where you can make money by listing your services, freelancer services marketplace for businesses. And on Fiverr, you can make money with three ways. First, listing your own service. The second, Fiverr drop service, Fiverr arbitrage. And third, affiliate marketing. First, you can list your own service and you can be professional on many fields such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, and so on, my friends. You can choose in which field you're professional, you're good. Let's assume you're a professional on this graphic design service. You can list your own service here regarding graphic design, yeah, something like that. And the second option, you can make money with a drop service arbitrage. But what is drop service? With a drop service business model, you can make money without having any skill. So you will need to have the second another websites where you can find any service you want to sell, you want to list on Fiverr. For example, what if you want to list any service you want? Just check another freelancer website. Let's assume you want to find any service on Upwork and list that service on Fiverr and make money by pricing difference. So, what if you find any service for $2 and list it on Fiverr for $6, and once you get sale, your customer will pay you for $6, and you will go to Upwork and pay $2 to the seller. And once your seller is gonna deliver the service to you, and you're gonna deliver to your customer, and you will get $4 profit, my friends. And this is drop service business model. This is a practical way to make money. This is actually a passive income to make money. And first option, you will list your own service and you will work on your own service. But the second option is a passive income. So with a passive income, you don't need to work. Just find another seller with a low pricing, yeah, list it to other website and make money with the pricing difference, my friends. And third option is affiliate marketing. Yes, you can make money as an affiliate. Just register and open your free affiliate account, and you will have and unique link. So you will share that link to your friends, family, or anywhere. And once someone click on your link and go directly to Fiverr and buy something on Fiverr, you will get the percentage commission. So this is third option to make money on Fiverr. You see, freelancer is a good business model, good money maker business, because you will be boss for your own work. You can work anywhere you want. You can work which place you want to work in. For example, you can work at home, you can work at a restaurant, in cafe, anywhere. You can work outside, and you don't need to go to work from 9 to 5 or 6. You don't need to wait Saturday, Sunday to rest, my friends. You are free. You are free, and you can do whatever you want. You will have your own time. You can work whenever you want. You can work in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Yes, my friend, it is free, really free. You are free on this business model. And another website called Upwork, and you can do the same on Upwork. You can make money whether with your own service, whether drop service, or affiliate, and you will have many rivals on these platforms. And third website called freelancer.com, and again you can do the same thing on this website as well, my friends. And so in this video I was trying to explain the important information for you. For this reason, I decided to make this video for you, because many people wondering if they can make money at home without going to anywhere, make money remotely, if it is possible or not. And for that reason I decided to make this video. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share this to your friends or family. Yeah, really appreciate. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.